Hey, what's up guys? Matt here from myrawintuition.com, coming back to show you guys what I'm having for dinner tonight. Celine is actually up taking a nap, so it's just me right now. So I'm gonna keep it super simple. This is how I like to do it. Super simple, takes me like 10 minutes to throw this all together, and hardly any cleanup as well. So once again, I got the big salad going on. I've got one big head of green leaf lettuce and a nice sized head of romaine. And then I've got about 3 stalks of celery. I've got, I just threw in some mung bean sprouts. I've got quite a few grape tomatoes in there. And then I've got 1 avocado that I squeezed in there. I've got a scoop of this brown mustard, and then I squeezed on 1 lemon. So technically my dressing is going to be the avocado, the lemon, and the mustard. So that's like a really quick, simple, easy, no blender needed for a dressing. All right, and then I got one other little tip for you guys. After you squeeze in your lemon, let me show you. So you squeeze in your lemon. You don't just throw it away. You kind of get it on your hands. It's antibacterial in a good way, not like those synthetic antibacterial soaps that destroy your microbiome. This is the good stuff. So get this on your hands. Know what you do? You rub it together, and then you just take a nice big breath in. Wow. It is like aromatherapy times 10. It's kind of like that girl on Saturday Night Live where she would put her hands in her armpits and then she'd sniff them. Do that with the lemon. It's a great tip you guys need to try out. I promise you'll love it. It works for limes too, or oranges, pretty much any citrus. Try that out. You'll thank me. All right, guys, so that is my salad tonight. I'm gonna enjoy it, and then we gotta get some groceries tomorrow. So, hope you guys are having a great night. I'm sure I'll catch you in the morning, tomorrow's video. And until then, always follow your raw intuition.